Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Horns and welcome to my course Managing Product Design and Development Projects. As a product or project manager, effective planning of your product's requirements and how you plan to run the project are essential. A key part of this is that you'll be able to create a draft project plan. In this course we will look at how to create a draft project plan by following a 7-step process, how to successfully seek feedback on your plan and then implement feedback comments, how to deal with negative criticism, and finally we'll look at a cookbook of different project and product management tools that you can use, such as Gantt charts, SWOT analysis, BASI matrices, stakeholder matrices, cause and effect diagrams, and finally risk maps. The overall aim of this course is to help you, a new product or project manager, pick up the skills to be able to effectively draw up a project plan, keep it maintained, and help run a product development through to completion. This course is aimed at anyone that works in product development or project management or is looking to move into these areas. No prior experience is assumed, and by the end of the course you'll have everything you need to be able to plan a project for product development. If you find this course useful, then I have other courses in the Pluralsight library that will help you, such as managing stakeholder relationships, innovation in the workplace, how to run effective meetings, and agile fundamentals. I hope you'll join me, Stephen Horns, on this journey to learn about product management with my course Managing Product Design and Development Projects, here at Pluralsight.